Uh, Talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy. Ayy, you ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect, patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect, clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you bend things. Liquidity sweep, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I'm my bad sentences, not people or things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, right? Keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by it and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generational kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. So let's make this money. Yes, it is really this cold. I was just outside. I don't know what temperature it is. Maybe 50 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe. I don't know. But just came from outside and it is really, really chilly. And the wind is blowing too. So probably in a few minutes I'll take off the jacket, but I could probably take this off. It's not cold in the house, so but right now I'm still kind of cool. All right, let's go and get started, guys. Crypto bubbles on the daily. Holy smokes! Does this mean Bitcoin went up today? Possible. We got ZEC up 20.7%. Possible time to short, maybe, or go long. If you're interested, let me know and we can find out. Any of these coins, really. We got FET up 18.4%. DOT, there's quite a few that we haven't had several in double digits in a while. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's it. We have 4. We have River down 12.7%. Ouch. We're going to say hi to the chat in just a second. On the hourly, whoa, does, well, I was going to say, does this mean Bitcoin's going down? But right now, we still have a lot of green. So potentially, Bitcoin pulled back and it's going up. Maybe. We'll find out in just a second. Looking at the Fear and Greed Index. Let's go to the first page. We were at 23. We're at 28. We are up 5 points. Let's see who was first in the chat. We got Stregaheart. Stregaheart is my favorite. Thank you, Stregaheart, for being first. You are the best. Duality C in very close second. Thank you, Duality C. Appreciate you greatly. The Ned. The Ned is in the house. See here. Bingo bango. Let's go. I love it. I love it. You guys are great. You guys are great. Here comes the hot stepper. Let's go. Man, I was outside, nice and chilly. I come inside, sit on the trading computer, and look at some trades. And it's like, man, do I really want to do the stepper? It's like, no, but got to. And I this close to getting a blizzard today. I'm leaving work. So I didn't buy any donuts or anything like that. I said, I'm gonna go to Dairy Queen, literally on the way to the house. And there was nobody in the drive-thru. Nobody. That never happens. And I looked at it and I said, should I pull over and get a blizzard? Nah. And I just drove. I mean, I wasn't sad or anything, but I was like, oh man. But I was like, nope, no blizzard. I already had a blizzard a day or two ago. I said, no blizzard. I'll get one maybe in a couple of days or so. So no blizzard for me. I wanted one. Then after I ate my dinner, I was like, maybe I should go back and get a blizzard. But did not do it. Didn't do it. Let's see here. Who else is here in the chat? We got Steve Hickey, my man. What's going on, buddy? Bingo and a bango. Let's go. Let's freaking go. The Ned says, bro, IDE, share my chicken. Oh, I share my chicken wings with you now. Somewhat know ya. You're a good dude. I bet you probably give me a chicken wing if I looked on you. I would, dude. 100%. That's why I stay poor. Not that I'm proud of it, but that's why I stay poor. Because I see people who need help or they're hungry, and I go and I feed them. I help them. If I can, I do. If I have $11 in the bank and food costs $10, I will buy you food that costs $10. That's what I do. I'm not bragging or anything, but that's what I do. Most, they have $1 million in the bank and you're asking for like $100 just so you can get by for your paycheck. And they're like, well, I don't know. I really don't like lending out money to friends. And it's like, dude, seriously, man? I have a story. I knew these people. This guy was a multi-millionaire. Somebody asked him for $1,000. He ended up telling me this story as we're driving around, and he said that a guy he knew for a while, he asked him for $1,000, and I don't know if it was to pay a bill or to get equipment for a job. I don't know what it was, but he was asking for $1,000. And I asked my friend, I said, well, did you give it to him? He goes, no, I really don't like loaning money to friends or whatever. It's like, dude, really, man? You have all this money? I'm sure you have like 5 or 10 grand, with you on you right now that you just needed one to do whatever he was going to do. I said, wow, people are like that. But no, me, I give. A chicken, let's go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. It was very, very chilly outside. Very chilly. So chilly, I put on the jacket. I was like, ooh, chilly. Duality C, my man. What's going on, dude? Appreciate you being here. Thank you. Steve says, Joe's my favorite. You're my favorite, Steve. You're my favorite. Thank you. DQ for the win. Let's go. Yeah, I had some of those steak fingers the other day. Really, really good. Ooh, so good. Love it. That practicing good risk management on the Blizzard. Yes. You guys know. You guys know. All right, lower the threshold to 0.5 due to our good buddy out in JR's Discord. If I could do it. Come on. Joe, you drunk? No, I'm on the stepper, guys. I'm on the stepper. Come on. There we go. Whew. You have to throw the mouse at the keyboard or something. I don't know. Camsta in the house. What's up, Camsta? Appreciate you, man, for being here. See here. Back in fear, baby. Uh-oh. See here. Then thought I'd be happy. I'm back. Then thought I'd be happy to be back in fear. There you go. Lunar Beaches. Holy smokes. What's up, Lunar Beaches? Appreciate you, man, being here. Throwing the waves in the chat. I love it. Bingo bango. Let's go. Let's go. Very nice. Camsta. See here. That's how he has all that money. He's a cheap. Yeah. Very true. Very true. Let's see here. For the 24-hour time frame, 0.5 on the threshold. Of course, we came up here for this liquidity. Now, granted, as price goes up, we're creating liquidity to the downside. As price goes down, we're creating liquidity to the upside. It's just a back and forth. It's just depending which level is going to break, and that's why we trade level by level. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Yeah, definitely, guys, smash up the like. See here. Joe's drunk on life. Yes. Very true. 12-hour time frame. Looks just the same. Let's go to the 3-day really quick. And we're going to go to Bitcoin. We're going to check out what my thought process was on Bitcoin yesterday, what my thought process is today. And also going to give you some of the thought process I had earlier today in reference to the possible movement. Did it play out, or was I completely wrong? We're going to find out in about 3 minutes. Here, geez, all this liquidity to the upside. We had more down here, but I guess those trades got stopped out or canceled. And that's the thing too with liquidity. The market makers could put big orders and cancel them to trick you, because you're looking at this to trade. Well, some people look at this to trade. I don't. I just look at it to see where the potential movement might be. Doesn't mean that it will happen. It just means that it might. Let's go to the 1 hour or the weekly. I know we're not talking too much about this like we normally do. And boom, we got all that. And now it's coming up. Really surprised that this area right here isn't as bright as it was. I think it was yesterday. So we'll see. See here. Sub to the channel. Let's go. Let's go. David, what's going on, David? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. So let's look at Bitcoin. Get out of here. Get out of here. All right. So let's look at Bitcoin. This was a thought process that I did earlier today for my VIP group and also for the free portion of Telegram. If you are not in my free portion of Telegram, what the heck are you doing? So these videos that I make for my VIP group, I also push them to Telegram, the free portion, and you get the thought process on Bitcoin. If you know what Bitcoin might do, then you could potentially know what the market might do as well, because everything's following Bitcoin for the most part. All right. Just as a recap, we talked about this potentially being a bull trap, and it was. Then we talked about this being a potential bull trap, but a lower high. And it was. When we were here, we talked about this from here, potentially rolling over. That was my plan A. It didn't. Or to coming up here, rolling over, which also is what I was thinking, you know, is rollover. Now, when we started going sideways and we started bouncing here, now I'm thinking, notice there's no up or down, like there's no A or B. This is what I'm thinking. We may pull back slightly to go up to about here, and we did. To pull back to about here, and we did. To continue up, and we did. So this was my thought process, and this was, I believe, last night's video, the 14th. No, 2 days ago. This is our thought process here. This was two days ago? 2 days the 16th? Where was yesterday's? Oh, this is yesterday's. Okay. So then, yesterday, we were here. I'm thinking we might pull back, and we did. To go up, and we did. Now, this, I mentioned that we could potentially break 73.6 in about 12 to 24 hours. It actually broke in 2 hours after our live stream. So this happened a lot sooner. Now, all these drawings that I have right here, this was on a video that I made for my VIP group and also for the free Telegram, because all I gotta do is forward it to the free portion. This was my thought process as far as what might happen. So I took off the price action. So what I drew out first was us pulling back, going up, getting rejected off of this level, pulling back and going up. This is healthy. This is what I want to see. Now, if price action, and the reason I don't show this all the time is because there's too many lines, but I drew this after the move. I drew this when we were here already. Now, my thought process is always this. If we go up and break this level, this is really not good because it moved too much. We could pull back now instead of bouncing off of the level we just broke out of. Because we went aggressively, we could go below it, which would be healthy. The only problem is when we come up, this same level that we needed to break is now our resistance. So what I'm looking for is a potential reversal break of this pivot, because this is where I would think we would pivot, and then not good. Now we start coming down. Now, granted, all this happened already when I made the video. I made the video when we were right here. So this already happened, but I'm just drawing to tell you what I think might happen based off of if it goes up. Now, price did not get rejected here. After it went up and pulled back, it actually went higher, and then it started doing this number. So I'm making the video and price is coming down. Yeah. And in that video, I mentioned at the very end, I said, could we come down a little bit lower and break this blue line? I know this is really hard to see. Oh man, I'm trying to make this a little bit easier for y'all. Okay, let me find that blue line. So let's see here. D-Generation X, what's up, buddy? Appreciate you, man, being here. Thank you for everybody coming in. Appreciate you. Who's here? Put a 1 in the chat. Put a 1 in the chat. Hopefully, Lunar Beaches is still here, because when I watch Lunar Beaches, I stay watching. So hopefully he's still here. Me, Damien, he would come in, but I found out that he doesn't watch my show because after, I don't know, 8 months, if not longer, he did not know how I traded, which kind of hurt my feelings because I watch his show. I go on there, talk in the chat. I see what he does. Do I agree with everything? No. Does that mean he's wrong? No. Traders, they trade differently, and that's okay. If you're successful doing what you do, keep on doing it until it's not working out. Then maybe look around, poke around, ask other traders questions, or what's working for you right now, and so on and so forth. But yeah, me, Damien, really hurt my feelings, because I'm like, man, like, dude, it's like 8 months plus, and you're serious? Like, you don't know how I trade? Like, I talk about how I trade all the time. Anyway, so Lunar Beaches, hopefully you're still in here. We'll see. If you are Lunar Beaches, put a 1, put a high, put a wave, do something. But as we were here, I'm thinking, if we pulled back even more, the level that everybody's watching is this level. So if we pull back even more, would I short? No, because I was talking about shorting. I said, would I short? No. The reason is because it drops so hard, and I'm looking at the smaller time frame. Because it's dropping so hard. Look at these candle body sizes compared to these candle body sizes. Because it's dropping so hard, if it breaks here, then we could, because it dropped so hard, pull back about 50% of this move and then find support, break the level, break out of this key level, and go up. That's what I'm looking at. Potentially happening if we break this. Now, if we continue coming down and then reversing, then it is what it is. Now, the Ned. The Ned says, hi for LBC. Yeah, that's funny. Crypto Squid in the house? Oh no, that's just a smiley face. But in the video, I also mentioned, now you can fact check me if you want. Join my free Telegram group, trade_intuition. Reach out to me and I'll put you in the group, and you can see that this video I mentioned, could we bounce right now? Sure, we could bounce right now. But, and I give you the scenarios. I think that video was like a 9-minute video to where what I'm looking for. And as soon as it started coming up, I said, you know what? I'm in long. I like it. I'm doing this to where we're going up. I'm doing this to where we're going up. There's no down. Now, granted, I do talk about downs because we always have to, let's just say we did go up, we broke this level, we went up, then we start breaking the level to the downside, we break this level. Well, guess what? My up thought process is invalid. And right now I took profit 20%, close, some of the trade, move my stock to cover my fees and everything else, make a little bit of money. And then right now, I would expect to pull back. So now, this is the moment we've been waiting for a long time, guys. Watch this. Remember, way back over here? Oh, way back over here. We had this dump, and we came up. And we started doing this. Now we're ranging. Once we started ranging, I mentioned that we need to break above this level for me to be bullish. Then when we did break above the level, because we went so fast, I was like, whoa, this might be a bull trap. Be careful. Sure enough, it was. It came back in. Now this is the level we need for me to be bullish. Now currently, we are breaking above that level. That's where we are right now. So this is good. This is really good. Now, what I would like to, and look at all this selling pressure. Good Lord, let's take off these path tools, because we're going to do additional path tools. There's going to be an updated thought process. Let's hide that. I don't know what this is for. Oh, bar's better. Okay. So now, look at these, man, right here. Good Lord. On this key level, this is why the levels that I'm showing you, they're very, very important. This key level, candle closed with a nice wick. 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 Where are the swing failure pattern SFP people? Where are all those people? Swing failure pattern, let's short it. Where are they at? Oh, never mind. Swing failure pattern, let's short it. Oh, never mind. Swing failure pattern, let's short it. Never mind. Oh. So you're saying there is a chance? Yeah. I don't trade SFPs. I don't trade. Now this, would I think that we're going down? Yes, 100%. Why? SFP? No. Selling pressure. The wick is very long towards the top, and we're at resistance. Key level. Do I think that we're gonna come down? Yep. I'll keep on thinking that until we break this level. And guess what? We did. As opposed to having a thought process of, oh, swing failure pattern, it's going down. It has to go down because, well, it's a long wick and that's a swing failure pattern, blah, blah, blah. You know, we're going to come down to here or even here. No. Now, if you trade that way, here's a long wick and it went down. Does it have to? No. It can go up. Exhibit A. So I'll let you know. The net says, as long as you get a burning wood, there's always a chance to go up. About 67% of the time. You guys got to know about other indicators. Keep it rising. Let's go. Hashtag MW. Let's go. That's funny. That's funny. Yes. Yes. The joys of being a man. All right. So now, what do I think? Well, if we were to pull back now, and if we did, it'd be 100% okay. Let's go ahead and draw our fib from the low of this swing or extension leg to the current area, which doesn't mean that it, it stopped here. It could continue going up. If it does, we just adjust this to see where it could potentially retrace to. This is the fib retracement tool, hence the name retracement. Pulling from the bottom to the top shows us where it might pull back to. These are percentages. It's extremely important that you pull it the correct way, because if not, then you're doing it completely wrong. If you go from the top to the bottom and say that it went down to 382, your 382 is down here, which is not 38%. So it's extremely important you understand that, guys. Let's go 15-minute time frame. All right, just so I can see more of these ups and downs. Let's put this really close. Right now, it does not look like it wants to pull back. But if it did pull back, the level I'm looking at, man, it's a big zone. I like 382 pulling back. Maybe it's not done running yet. 382, 0.5. Maybe. Let's see. How freaky would this be? How weird would this be? I've never done this before. How weird, because I would really like to see it pull back to 0.5. And right here, we can see that this is our key level that we had, 73,611. How crazy would it be if, see if we can get it there. It's just right there. If price came up to 76.9 before coming down, how crazy would that be? To where we predicted where it might stop to pivot based off of what we would like to see. This is completely unorthodox. Give me a heads up. I'm really talking about the charts. Almost any morning wood gives you a pop. Male or female. You can get these morning woods. Here's the charts watching. It's a simple hashtag MW pattern. I like to use it online. Yeah. I'm gonna say debatable. I don't know. But wouldn't that be really weird if the price from here went all the way up? So they could retrace to 3, 2, 0.5 and then continue up. So what do I think is gonna happen? Well, if we pulled back, man, I really like that idea. Let's look at this. Went up, balanced, 15-minute time frame on this level, this key level. So that's why these levels are super important. Key level, pulled back, came up, same area. Talked about this on the video. Potential, people might see this as a double top or an M or whatever, but what they're looking at is they're looking at this for this to break. Whatever neckline or whatever pattern they're doing, this is their neckline. We just look at the level. Came down, broke this, started coming up. If we were to pull back, man, I like that. I really like that level. Look at the market real quick. And we'll put this one as a undo that. This is where that'd be pretty cool for it to go. I found a super simple money maker in the morning wood. Even if you played every one as long as you have stop loss, you'd be profitable. Debatable. I found a super simple money maker in the morning. Very debatable. Even if you played every one as long, stop loss, profitable. Debatable. I'm going to say highly debatable. And the Ned, if that is true, I'm not sure if you work or not, but go in JR's Discord and show us, because it's very debatable. But if it's working for you, great. Now, if the price action pulls back, I would not be upset. Man, if it came down here 3.2, which is 73.8, and even here, this is beautiful. The 0.5, which is 73.1, because look at these levels that this respects. Go to the 1 minute, scalping only. Yeah, let's do it tomorrow morning. Let's see here. I'm trying to look at the price action, what I think might happen. So what I'm doing is I'm just looking at all the ups and downs, how far it went, what it's doing. I want to say for a pullback, I'm getting mixed signals right now. Let me take this off. I'm getting mixed signals. We were in this area for quite a while. To me, it's looking strong. It's looking good. Just because, one, we broke out of this zone finally, We tried to, we came back in, and then now we're out of this resistance. So again, 12-hour. And these blue levels, there's still levels that I do not want it to break if we do come down. But man, if we come down here, I think it's over. So let me draw the fib again. Oh no, that's only the 6.5. I thought that was a 7.86. Oh man, I'm afraid if we do something like this and we break back into underneath 73.6, which in my opinion is okay to do, you know, pulling back here to this top zone or maybe even this bottom zone to the 0.5 would be okay. This would be okay. I'm afraid that we're going to do this. Come back up to 236, which would be the level that we just broke out of, get rejected, come down to 6.5, come back up to 0.5, come back down, and then we start this sideways action again. And the part that's kind of got me in a compromising position, I guess you can say, is if we pull back, it's fine. It's okay. The only problem is if we pull back to 0.5, now we slightly re-enter this zone. And then I'm afraid of breaking that low. If we break that low, you know, we can start this again and then start tackling the highs, and everybody just got faked out. But a pullback to the 236 to 735, in my opinion, is not enough of a pullback. And this is what's this is what I'm having issues with right now. Because the pullback is okay. But if we do pull back, I really don't want to get underneath 73.6. I really don't. But if we do, it's okay. But now we're underneath it. So now it's like, can we break above it? Right, man. The past few days, I've been able to give a clear thought process of what I think might happen. Right now, it's foggy. So here, I show you, but don't tell anyone else. 1 minute, one line chart. Cool. I'll show you. Awesome. Not financial advice. If it forms a W, it will go. If it does an M, it goes down. You know what that is, right, Ned? That's this. This is where we long. What is it doing? It's breaking resistance. If it does this, we short. Why? It's breaking support. That's all that is. That's how we trade. Give you a heads up. There's a lot of people that watch, but they can't comprehend that that's what I'm doing. That's exactly what I'm doing. Bro, it's popping off. The W now. Now, just because it's going up doesn't mean it'll continue going up. what we're doing is we expect it to pull back. So our job is not to predict what will happen or might happen, even though I show you my thought process. It's to react to what does happen. It breaks this low, oh crap. Breaks this low, oh crap. Breaks the high, oh, all right, good. So that's what we're doing. Oops, I should have sold a little. Yeah. JR in the house. What's up, JR? Appreciate you, man. Love your video. Saw your live stream tonight. Thank you for that. Very nice. Good evening, Magnet Traders. Let's go. So if we do pull back, and we should, in my opinion, it's healthy by pulling back. Could we go even a little higher? Sure. Do pull back? Yeah. I would actually prefer us going up higher so that we could pull back to this 73.6 level and be okay. But let me check again. Dang it. Yeah, right now I'm kind of unsure. Sure. Here. Thanks for coming out and hanging out. Let's go. Let's go. See here. Lost some more on soul. I'm cursed today, man. Just want one big one and the nights. Come on, baby. Yeah, I'm not sure what coin you want to do. But right now, I want to see Bitcoin pull back. See, but even with this pullback, when we went higher, yeah. DGen, 15 minutes. And it sucks. Did not do that one. But yeah, as far as Bitcoin goes, like I said, I would not be mad if it pulled back right now. It's just, I'm afraid of it breaking below the area we just broke out of, 73.6, and then not being able to break above it. That's what I'm afraid of. And right now, I don't know what's going to happen. Now we have to wait to see, can we break above this level if we break below it? And I think we will break below it. Can you take a look at Sol for me, please? Yeah, definitely. Do I see Solana? Solana. Let's go to YouTube so that you do not see my VIP charts. No VIP chart for you. See here, Solana. Are you on a long? Are you in a long for Solana? Or a short? Let's get rid of all our junk. I was way off here. Completely wrong. And here I was completely wrong. 2. Here, 3. Ooh, Solana does not like me. Solana does not like me. You're not in trade right now. Just lost 10 bucks. Hey man, like 10 bucks is 10 bucks, man. Like treat that 10 bucks like $1,000. It's like, oh man, I lost 10 bucks. Frick, sorry to hear that, Cam. Yeah. Yeah, JR gets it. Like $10 is $10, man. Even if it was $1. It's like, dang it, man, I lost $1. Like, oh, let's see what we can do. Let's see here. It pumped to my stop loss, then went back down. Dude, I hate that, man. Lost both ways, yeah. What a noob. No, man, it happens. But here's the thing. Let's do a challenge, Camsta. And it's not to make $100 on a trade is to make 5%. That's it. And to only risk like 1%. So, but it's going to be very boring though. But now, granted, no, I'm not going to do it with you, Kamsa, because I already talked to you, and I've already, like, you're going to have to lose a lot of money. You're going to have to lose a lot of money in order to realize that the stove is hot. Because people can be telling you all day long. But until you're done and you're tired of losing money, then you'll do the risk management. I almost wasted my time, Kamsa. Almost. But I remember I had already talked to you. But yeah. But let's look at this. Let's look at this. Oh yeah, and if you don't know, I do tough love. I don't do none of this BS stuff. Where it's like, oh yeah, man, I'll help you and blah, blah. No. Like I tell you how it is. I give you homework. And if you don't do the homework, then see ya. I'll give you a heads up. So here's our zone. It was funny. I used to be in another group, a really big group. And my boss wanted me to charge them extra for my services. I said, no, man, they already paid you a lot of money. Like, I'm not going to charge them as well. I get a few babies that would complain to the person who was above me at the time. And he would say, Joe, like, you can't talk to them like that. You can't, tell them to do stuff. And if they don't do it, well, then you're going to stop helping them, blah, blah. I said, listen, man, I don't charge them extra. I don't charge them. I know other people charge. I don't charge. And if they want my help because they're seeking me out of everybody else who's here, all the other admins, they're seeking me out for a reason. I said, if I give them instruction to do something and they don't do it, I don't continue to help them. And he's like, well, you can't be telling them like that. You can't be telling. I said, yes, I can. And if they don't like it, they can get another admin. And sure enough, they'd come back to me. They're like, yeah, Joe, I'm ready to do the homework. All right, cool, man. This is what I need you to do. Boom, boom, boom. But yeah. But you. So here. Yeah, I hate when that happens, man. Just to get your $2 or 10 cents and then boop, runs. See, watch your pennies and the dollars take care of themselves. Very true. I get choked if I lose more than 3 cents. There you go. There you go. I'm up 3.14% now. Let's go. Just got into a long. Nice. Jared says, he'll be with you. He's too nice. Yeah, Jay will learn. He'll learn. Because what ends up happening, spoiler alert, like you baby traders or people who are trying to learn, kind of, but then they keep on doing the same things and they keep on coming with you with the same problem that they came with you like 6 months ago, 8 months ago, a year and a half ago. And you're like, dude, like we kind of, so what you realize is you wasted all that time. I've had so many that I did that with, and I above and beyond the whole nine. I talked to them, just screen shares, everything, and they'd always have return to the same thing. So until they did what they need to do, which was, I call it homework, I wouldn't help them. But yeah. So here, almost got back at 32. I need to get my 100. Let's go. Slowly but surely. If you try to do it too fast, you'll get wrecked by a lot. So here, long road ahead. Yes, I believe in you, Cam. So do I. So do I. But just remember that stove is hot. But I can tell you all day, until you get tired of touching the stove, you'll see. So here, $1 shot collar. Let's go. Bitcoin was steadily going up. Somehow I still lost on it. Yeah. Yeah, very true. And JR turned $1.47 into 2,000, not pesos, $2,189. That's freaking crazy. $1.47. Shoot, man, turning $1.47 into $5 is amazing. $5, $10 is incredible. Over 2,000? That's crazy. I'm too impatient. I know. And that's why you will continue to get burned. That's why you will continue to lose. Like literally, some people give you like tough love by, punching your shoulder or whatever, putting you in a brotherly headlock. No, man, I punch you in your chest. I punch you. And you do that number. I say, yeah, man, wake up. That's what I do. But Joe, you're so nice. Yeah, well, when it comes to money and making money, and you keep on doing the same mistakes. Now, granted, if you're doing certain things and you're winning and you're losing, you're winning and losing, and you're like, you know what, man, I'm gonna do what I used to do, but you already know the potential outcome, and that's just kind of like gambling, I guess. And if you do that every once in a while, I mean, it's okay-ish. But if that's all you do all the time, and you say, it's kind of like asking for help. For example, you call up your buddy. Hey man, I got a flat tire. And like, all right, they help you out. Hey man, I got a flat tire. All right, they help you out. Hey man, I got a flat tire. They help you out. Hey man, it's like, dude, why do you keep on getting flat tires? Well, there's this shortcut, but it's full with nails. And I like taking the shortcut. But guess what? You get flat tires every single freaking time, and you got to call for help. And that's the same thing. Help me with the chart. Help me with the trade. Help me with the setup. Help me with the entry. When do I take profit? Blah, blah. But you want to take that shortcut, and well, that's what happens. So you're always going too early. So you know the problem, and that's the thing. Like, you know that you're impatient. You know that you're going too early. So to reduce the loss, to reduce the losing, don't go in too early. You know the problem. Don't go in too early. Just try it. Just try it once. Don't go in too early. Wait for your confirmation and see what the outcome is. And if you win, guess what? You get that dopamine. Oh man, I did it. I did it, Now, granted, don't try to get 59%, 2%, 5%. And you won. Then guess what? On the next trade, it's like, man, that was a good feeling of me winning that trade. And I won because, I don't know, I waited for my confirmation. Let me wait again. Let me just see, maybe it was just a fluke. You wait again. It's like, oh man, I won again. Dopamine, boom, you did it again. And the next time you do it and you lose. Oh man, you know what? I'm just gonna go back to the way I did it. Keep on doing that. Keep on losing until sinks in. Yeah. See here. That's the way it's here. Yeah, we could. Very true. Very true. It was hard, but I learned a lot. St. Patrick's Day, tacos tomorrow. Yum, yum. Yummy tacos. Maybe I'll turn $30 into $300. Let's go. Let's go. That would be sweet. Yep, I turned $50 at Christmas into $2,000 now. Ooh, man. There. Now, for those of you who don't know, JR has a private session where he will show you how he does what he does. Make sure to reach out to JR. He'll give you the price. He'll give you the length of time. So make sure to check him out. JR, if you can put your Discord in the chat, please, or anybody, put JR's Discord in there, and he'll show you. He'll show you. He'll teach you his ways, the ninja ways, guys. He'll teach you. Let's see here, but it's only cool if I keep it up. Dude, like you've been killing it, man. Absolutely killing it. Consistency is key. That's why I was only trading Bitcoin. Right? Figure if I can master Bitcoin, yep. There you go. There you go. Master, yep. And that's true too. You know, trading Bitcoin, Solana, these coins that, you know, pretty much like move together. Like Solana moves with Bitcoin. Like sometimes I'll look at Solana, it's like, man, that looks like Bitcoin. And sometimes, like for here, would I get mad if this came down? No. Would I expect it to come down? Sure. Why? Because it went up. Same thing with Bitcoin. You know, would I get mad if it comes down? No. What I don't want it to do is break this zone, just like Bitcoin. If it breaks this zone, guess what? More than likely, it might come after this right here and this right here if it breaks this zone. But I would like to see it pull back nice and healthy, lower high. Everybody freaks out. This is our decision point. What is it going to do? Is it going to go up to break the highs or down to go back into that zone and go below? Hopefully it does this. Now I'd be okay with that. Pulling back to about 92.50 to maybe 93.50. So a dollar, within a dollar. But today I saw that Sol outperformed Bitcoin and it pissed me off. So just to let you know, these coins, like Bitcoin moves 1%. These coins generally move 3 to 5%. Now, if Bitcoin goes down 1%, these coins could go down 5, 10, 15% for every 1% Bitcoin goes down. So just keep that in mind too. And that's why you have to always trade, you know, the coin, be looking at Bitcoin, see when it's doing it. Bitcoin pumped really nice. Expect Bitcoin to pull back. So that means that your coin may also pull back. So just let you know. I focus on Sol and Bitcoin, but trade only Solana in my safe account. There you go. I don't want to be punched in the chest. Let's see. Yeah, man. Someone in my other group had some success trading River. Oh yeah. Yeah, JR was trading River. I was trading River because JR was trading River. So yeah. River did really nice. But then I stopped looking at it, went to other coins. Then it got wiped out for 2K. Ouch. Yeah, happens. But stop losses, risk management. Just keep pumping. Yes. No stop loss. Yep. It happens. Very true. I always go in too early too. And then that's when you just ladder in. And same with me. And what I do is I just call that an aggressive trade or a very aggressive trade / entry. And then I have my safer entries as well. Here. Yeah, I think I got ADHD or something. Probably. Same probably, but they programming us to be impatient and short attention spans from birth to, so yeah. Yep, very true. Very true. Yes. So definitely, see, can I? No, I can't do it like there. Try it over here. So just pin the message. Here. And I have clones, so be careful. Yes, very true. Yeah, that's when you know you're making it. When you have the spammers acting as you. Man, I got so upset. There was a spammer or a scammer on X, and they had more subscribers than or followers than I had. I was like, you're the fake me. How do you have more? But yeah, that's funny. Clone Wars, let's go. The Ned says, my phone died. Just got back. I need a charge. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, your clone almost got me. Yeah. So like for me, me personally, I have a lot of people that try to message me or whatever, like on Discord. I don't accept anybody. I don't talk to. If I'm going to talk to you, I'm going to talk to you in the group. You know what I mean? But and that's how they get you, because what they'll do is they'll have all these fake accounts like your friends, and then they'll create the fake leader, and then you'll see that there's the fake leader that has all the fake friends that you know, so you accept them, and that's how they get you. I don't do any of that stuff. So if I want to talk to you, I'll talk to you in the group. And then if I am going to talk to you privately, I'll announce it in the group. Hey, I'm going to shoot you a DM. And that's what I do. Start chatting me up as soon as I join your Discord. Yeah. Very true. Yep. Very true. Very true. Yeah, so that's what I think of Solana. Possible pullback to continue up. If it goes back into the zone, 90.69, 88.02. Well, watch out. Speaking about watching out, we have been on our stepper for 59 minutes. Oh my gosh, we have traveled 0.97 miles. Let's go. Let's freaking go. I always joke that my scammers probably make more. Yeah. Herb, my man, what's up, buddy? Joe, where's my chicken wings? Let's go. Joe whispers to me all the time. Yes. I'm very true. Very true. But yeah, that's what I think about Solana. Potentially do this. If it does break this zone, I'll be very careful, because more than likely, if we do close underneath this, say the 4 hour candle underneath 88.02, there's a really strong chance that we may come down here 82.32, and then also 78.75. But a retracement is healthy. Retracement is healthy. So let us look at this. Right. So for Bitcoin, for the pullback, I would like it to break this level. 75.469 on Blowfin. So this is what I would like to see on Blowfin. I would it pulling back is healthy. For it to come up, then boop. Then hopefully we can come and take this, maybe some of this. And where is 70781 is really the lowest I would like to see it go to. Could it come down here and still be okay? Sure. 69.5, 69.4, 69.2. But I'm just afraid that if it does pull back this much, we might not break above 73.6. Now, here's the good side. If we do come down to these areas that I just mentioned, and we do break above 73.6, man, I'm hecka bullish. Yeah, I said it. Hecka bullish. So we'll see. We'll see. And then these will be our areas that we're looking at. Like all of this we can come and get. Just know though, I mean, we're going up. You know, it's healthy for us to pull back. And if we do pull back, go, oh my gosh, we're going to 10K and 12K. No, it's a healthy pullback. We want to remain in the zone though. And then hopefully continue coming up. But we'll see. We shall see. See here. Uh-oh. Craziness. You funny guys. All right. Who is streaming? Who is streaming? Let's see. Who is streaming? Let's see here. Customization. A redirect. Click here. Lunar Beaches. I should go in there, say hi, and leave. That's what I should do. Joe, don't be petty. Yeah, just call me Tom. How's that? and go here. We're gonna go to Road Dog. Make sure to say Trade Intuition Raid. He always gives us a shout out. He always says hi. May take him about 40 minutes to do so. No, but if we do it in the very beginning, it's usually very good. All right, guys, I do thank you guys very much. You have a good night. Make sure to smash the like when you go to Road Dog's channel. Make sure to put Trade Intuition Raid. I do thank you. Help support other content creators. I do appreciate you. We'll see you tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. And we win 1.04 miles on the stepper, guys. No blizzard today. And actually not even any sweets today. Huh. Okay. Tomorrow, big old gallon of ice cream. All right, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. If you're in the free portion of Telegram, there might be a video update on Bitcoin, but usually I do that for my VIP group, and then sometimes I forward it to the free portion. If you're interested in that, Trade Intuition, Trade_Intuition on Telegram. Thank you so much. Trade Intuition Raid. See you soon. Take care. Man, that was very awkward outro. I know. Get it together, Joe. Get it together. Oh, how do I turn off this? Oh, here it is.